Baby,
Yes.
你去哪里？
我要去喝酒。Despacito, despacito. Police.
Guess where we are going?
零酒。
We're going to Carlsberg Brewery Malaysia Factory. Yay! Just at the visitors gallery, so right now we're actually going to the brew house.
Pretty good to see, how all our beers are done.
Yeah, exactly.
It's pretty fun.
Exactly. 80% we wasn't really listening.
Yeah, but the Liverpool part.
Yeah, Liverpool part. Awesome.
Good times. Good times.
It's quite sweet.
Nice.
Okay. What?
Feels like an energy drink.
I see.
Oh, she's got a funny thing on her. I don't want to. Good evening. Ish.
Evening-ish.
It is good evening now.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
almost.
Nice. Alright, we're done here. We're gonna get out of here. No! What's up, guys? Hello! Okay, so we are kind of done at the Carlsberg Brewery, Malaysia. I got it right. We are done here. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You drink a lot.
No?
I drink a lot. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Carlsberg, for the tour. Probably the best tour ever.
Yeah, and you really get to taste a lot of different kind of breweries.
Yeah, exactly. And even just before they done,
Yeah.
just before they filter it and stuff
Yeah.
like that, it's actually pretty fun.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It tastes really cool, actually.
Yeah, the one that before they filter one, that's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Carlsberg, for inviting us.
Yes.
And maybe see you guys next year.
Yeah.
Peace, bye!
Oh my gosh, guys. Guess what Carlsberg gave us? Wow, so much beer. 2 buckets of beers.
Yep, this is what you consider a goodie bag
Really?
or a goodie bucket.
Plus they printed out our names.
Yeah, they have our names on it also.
Exactly. It's so cool and so thoughtful of them, to be honest. Thank you so much, Carlsberg, for these 2 little or 2 big stuff.
Yeah.
And 170 years.
Yeah, and thank you, May, for the invitation.
Yes, thank you, May, for invitation. And congratulations, Carlsberg, 170 years. That's a long year. No, that's not a long year.
That's a long time, long year. You think what, leap year?